friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing one of the Star Beauty subscription boxes, that is the Glow box. This box is special in that you can actually choose the products that you want and build your own box at just rupees 999, and you could get products up to rupees 5500 guys. There are longer term subscriptions too, so you could opt for a 3-month, 6-month subscription, and the discount goes on increasing over this subscription. So let us go right in and look at what I have received. So this is how the box has come in. Let me open it for you guys. So guys, as you can see, this box is beautifully bubble wrapped and layered. So from within, this is the sort of box that I have got guys. It's a beautiful box. So Glow box is quite a huge block, a very classy box with a magnetic lock here. And let's see the products that I have ordered guys. So these are all the things that I received. Let's see them one by one. So guys, the first thing to come out of it is this Glow box sticker. Then we have received a card from Glow box which says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Hope you had a fabulous shopping experience and enjoy your beauty treat. We cherish helping you find the best in beauty." I so agree with this. They really have products which are in a wonderful range. Then we have a refer and earn card where you get a 10% discount on your next box if you refer. Then we have a 30% off gift voucher from Last Inch, and this is valid till 30th June guys. I'm sharing the code with you all here, so any of y'all, especially plus sized girls who would be interested in shopping for western wear, you could go ahead and shop on this. Then this is another card which says share the love, and this is more about posting your contents on social media and your experience there, and you could win some surprise gift guys. Then I have got a product list guys here, and the products in my bag are worth rupees 2988, and guys, I have box is just priced at 999, so I have actually saved rupees 1989 rupees on this subscription itself guys. So this is thrice the amount, but you could save much more. That means based on your product selection you could get much more. Now let's come to the product. So my star product, I mean, I keep on ordering this Poiter Poland perfumes. It is an awesome perfume. So this time there is a different one. It is in the variant Warsaw, and it is a 30 ml perfume, and this is worth rupees 1499 guys. I absolutely love this perfume. So this is how the perfume looks like. The bottle is similar for all the perfume except the variants are different. So this is the Warsaw one. The perfume is extremely my taste. I quite like this perfume. It has got a bit of musky fragrance to it, and it is sharp. So this is typically the sort of perfumes that I like. I'm very happy to get this guys. This is a beautiful perfume, and so this is the star product of this box guys. The next product that I chose is from Makeup Revolution London. So it is a matte lipstick. It's a Salvation Velvet Lip Lacquer. All the ingredients are mentioned here, and this lipstick is priced at rupees 700 guys. So let me just open it and show you. So this is the lipstick. It is in the shade Keep Trying For You, and it's a beautiful red shade, a bright red shade. Let me swatch it for you guys. So this is how the wand looks, and I am just watching a little bit here. So the consistency of this lipstick is quite thick and creamy actually. So let us see when it dries up. It is intensely pigmented. The color shade is beautiful and is going to look good on Indian skin tones. I quite like this shade. The next product that I have ordered is a liquid foundation from Nell in the shade beige, and this is priced at rupees 140 guys. So let's open it and see. So this has a applicator to take the product. So this is the shade. I think this will go on me. Yes, this is matching my shade perfectly. Sorry, I smudged the lipstick. The lipstick is taking some time to dry, but I quite like this foundation too. Look quite interesting, and it is a 30 ml product, guys. Then there is another product from the brand Matra. It's a lip care product. It has got argan oil, frankincense and myrrh oil, and it is in the variant Kiwi. So I have used this lip balm before and I quite like this lip balm. I'm very happy to receive this lip balm. It is priced at $199. The lip balm is intensely moisturizing. I quite like it, and it's something which you can use on a daily wear. So I generally do use lip balms when I sleep, so that they keeps my lips moisturized, and I do it all 365 days, and I'm very happy to get this one, friends. And the last product is from McCaffeine. It is the caffeine face wash with vitamin E and argan oil, guys. It's a neem variant and it is a full size 150 ml product. Till now I have always been receiving tiny sample size products from McCaffeine. I'm very happy to get this full size product, and the price of this full size product is 449 rupees. Let me open it for you and show you. Just look at this, guys. It is so pretty. I mean, this is a beautiful bottle. I quite like the packaging, and this is in the variant neem. So neem, as you all know, has got a very important antibacterial, antifungal properties, and in summers this is going to be just perfect. Have a look at the key ingredients, guys. It is neem, argan oil, vitamin E, caffeine and glycerin. So the first 5 ingredients are so exciting. I am very happy to get this, and I look forward to try this. I had not tried the neem variant ever before, but I am surely looking forward to trying this out. Also, I have got a discount coupon from the brand McCaffeine, and if I use the code I will get a 15% off on all my orders. So I quite like this brand. I have used many products from McCaffeine and I love all of them. So guys, these were all the products that I got in my build your own box at just rupees 999, and this is an amazing offer. You should not miss this, and if you really want to choose what you like, you get wonderful branded products, high-end products in this subscription. So in addition, there are some other cosmetic products too on offer. There are eyeshadows, there are lipsticks, there are primers, there is some jewelry, there are other skincare products. So guys, their range is awesome. Please go ahead and check out their range on their website. I'm sure you're going to love it. I'm going to put in a link below in the description box so that you can go and purchase right away. And with that, friends, we come to an end of this unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Do share some love. Look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now. Love you all.